Hey guys, Gil for Camppatton Family Compound. It's the 4th of July, and I want to wish everyone a great 4th of July this year. I'm wearing a red, white, and blue plaid shirt in honor of our flag. We're going to head outside here in a minute and check out my daughter's garden. Beforehand, if you're new to the channel, we're just getting started here up in Idaho on our family compound, and I'm new to posting videos, so please bear with me. If you've watched some other videos, you'll notice I'm getting better, and that's what we all should do. We should all be getting better at the things we do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and when the little bell pops up, remember to click the bell. That way you'll get the email notifications whenever I post a new video, or if I reply back to you on a comment you make on the videos. Also, click the thumbs up for liking the video, and that gives me more credibility with YouTube. Alright, so we're going to head on outside and we're going to check out my daughter's garden. Alright, see you outside. That's the wet fermented stuff.
Yep. Does not smell very pleasant.
It smells like a light vinegar.
Are those Rhode Island Reds in there?
Yeah, dark ones are Rhode Island red. The lighter ones with the white tips on the tails are icy brown. There's a black sex-link and buff aubergines, which are getting a little blonde.
So what's the stuff here on the end? The
Let's see.
looks like mustard, some sort.
It's not, let's see, cilantro. Andrew, do you remember everything that we planted?
Yes.
I forgot to put the tags in.
So the next one over is cilantro,
Yeah.
and then the next one is the
Is garlic chives, and then these ones are the shallots. We had basil in there, but it died.
and what's the next little thing there? Can't remember.
Parsley.
Parsley. And then you got the what are those, peas or beans?
I think they're peas.
They kind of look like peas. Got some lettuce down there.
Cilantro? No. Andrew's project.
Yeah. So you got the
Sorrel.
sorrel. Okay. So you got different types of lettuce here.
And most of it are a variety.
Yeah. Well, what's out there by itself in that one?
That was a pepper.
Pepper. One lone pepper.
It survived the frosts.
It was the only one that survived. We have about 12 in there and the rest hooded.
You got tomatoes there.
Yep.
Those are tomatoes?
Yeah, they took a hit.
They did. So we got all the dead stuff pruned off and we're going to weed that today.
All right. And the strawberries over here. And strawberries here, and this is
It's a hodgepodge. We got let's see, kohlrabi's on one side. I got some beets there, carrots, and I think that's the rest of the broccoli that we had. That's chicken feed.
Ooh,
right
looks
now.
like you got some sunflowers
Yep.
growing up over there. Cool.
Those are supposed to be
And
12 litters.
the walnut tree took a little bit of a hit
I don't know if it likes too much water. I think it got too much water.
on the walnut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got to find a place to plant those in the ground.
Yeah.
We'll work on that here later, marking it out. I'm going to measure off the side of the ditch out here, and then we'll figure out where to plant the trees and which trees in what order.
25 feet apart.
Try to do that. Yeah. Your mother has two more. Has I think 2 Fujis and two Fujis, 1 cherry, and one she's not sure what it is. That all started from seed. They're in 1 gallon buckets right now. So we can get these apples in, and get the others in, and get them going. That tree over there next to the geese is what? Is that an apple as well?
Those both are cherries. One's a
Cherries.
Bing and one's a Rainier.
Okay.
And
And
then
the
over
other-
the side we got Mount Royal plums.
Mount Royal plum over there on the other side,
2 of them.
A red
down over there.
Not like
Okay.
hail.
Yeah.
But they're still alive, so we're gonna weed and prune those out today.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Hey, Calcifer. Calcifer, who's a good dog. Hey. Okay, and then of course the basil here all froze and died, and these tomatoes here took a hit because they weren't in the ground yet. And we got more tomatoes from California here, and some more strawberries. Cool. All right. Yeah, I would get in there. I would weed those puffy weeds out of there.
Yeah, those are buttercups.
Yeah.
We're just, it's past season for it. We're just gonna take it down.
Yeah. Okay.
Time to store it.
Yeah. Save it for next year.